Cooking with Tall Paw. We're doing some chicken thighs on the Weber 22. Rotisserie. Oh baby, look at that go. That's some good stuff right there. We got chicken thighs. They're pretty big. And that one slipped a little bit, but they're really nice. We got nice chicken thighs, and that's what we're doing here. Rotisserie. Yeah, it only took about 25 minutes so far. It says they're almost done, but I'm trying to get a little more crispy. Crank up the heat here. So it's was a Saturday the 30th of August. We are in Arizona, Apache Junction, Arizona. We are about 105 today. I think it cooled down a little bit. No, 102. I think the high was 102 here in Apache Junction. And now we're cooling down. We're not expecting any rain tonight, all weekend. Tomorrow's supposed to be 107, but we're cooling down a little bit. But yeah, so we're having Saturday night chicken dinner. That's what we're doing. I got my grass is getting messed up from my solar panels, but that's okay. Got this rotisserie kit on here. Really liking it, man. Really liking it. This thing is cool. Chicken. I think tomorrow I'm going to do a tri-tip. Going to do a tri-tip on the Weber 22. We're going to do that for Sunday dinner. But